3609 39th West, July 28, 2022, making this recording from the clean out here on the north side of the house. There is an existing clean out from a previous Bob Oates repair project, and that's where I'm making this recording from. We're looking at the Seattle City main sewer flowing by there out in the middle of the street. We come back almost immediately into our 6-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipeliner that was installed as part of this project on the shared sewer line. This is a sewer line that's shared between this home, 3609, and the home on the corner. I believe it's 3603. Keep coming back through this 6-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipeliner. And then back into our 6-inch diameter PVC repair that we installed as part of the excavation and repair portion at the connecting joint between the two homes sewer lines. So this is in the 6-inch diameter piping. We're going to come back here on the right side of the line there. On the back side is where we're going to find 3603, the corner homes connection to this line. We're now coming into the personal line of 3609. So we transition from that 6-inch diameter pipe back into 4-inch diameter pipe. On the right side of the pipe there is the kitchen connection to this line, as well, I believe, as a downspout connection there. Coming back into the 4-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipeliner that was installed as part of the previous project earlier this year, possibly last year, about 8-9 months ago. So this is existing liner that we installed within the year. That wasn't part of this project that we're doing currently. Come back into the PVC that was installed as part of that initial repair project earlier this year. Back up out of that PVC. And there's a clean out I'm making this recording from. Ending the video there, we're going to go record from the neighbor's connection now.